Your judgment debtor moved out of state. Maybe they moved to avoid you, maybe they had unrelated reasons. Either way, your in-state collection tools don't work in another state. Here's how to find them and continue collection across state lines. I'm with peoplelocatorskiptracing.com, and out-of-state debtor cases are a regular part of our work. Here's the framework. Locating the new state is the first task. People who move leave many traces. Voter registration in the new state, driver's license updated within 30 to 90 days, vehicle registration updated, utility connections, employment, school enrollment if they have children, and many others. LinkedIn is excellent for working-age debtors. Job changes often coincide with moves, and the new employer's location is usually clear. Social media check-ins, Instagram tags, Facebook posts about the new home, and similar sources frequently reveal the new city. Family and known associates often know where the debtor went. People rarely move in isolation. Family members usually know the destination. Public records aggregators show address updates as the debtor's information cascades through licensed databases. Once located, the legal mechanism for cross-state collection is judgment domestication. The Uniform Enforcement of Foreign Judgments Act, or UEFJA, is law in most states. Under UEFJA, a judgment from another state is registered in the new state's court, the debtor receives notice, and after a brief waiting period, the judgment becomes enforceable in the new state under that state's collection rules. The few states that don't have UFJA, including California, which uses a similar but distinct procedure, have their own domestication processes that achieve similar results. Once domesticated, you collect under the new state's rules. Wage garnishment limits, exemptions, judgment debtor exam procedures, and asset protections all follow the new state's law. This means a debtor who moved from a creditor-friendly state to a debtor-protective state may have gained some protection, and vice versa. State-specific homestead exemptions matter enormously. A debtor who moves from a low-exemption state to Florida or Texas, both with unlimited or generous homestead exemptions, may protect their primary residence in ways that wouldn't have been possible in their old state, but only after the new state's residency requirements are met. For child support specifically, the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act standardizes cross-state enforcement. A professional skip trace identifies the new state efficiently and locates current address, employer, and assets to support cross-state collection. For professional skip tracing and judgment recovery support, visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. 20 years of helping creditors collect across state lines.